Kenny.
주문이요? 무슨 주문? 딸꾹질을 멈추는 주문이야?
Oh, quite right. It's the chant the bears would chant in the big, dark forest, Kenny.
우와, 숲속에 사는 곰이 딸꾹질 날 때 쓰는 주문 말이에요?
Oh, yes. Oh, wait a minute. How does it go?
어서 생각해보세요. 듣고 싶어요. 친구들도 그렇지?
Yes!
Oh, really? Oh, you sweet children. Ooh.
Granny Sue,
Granny Sue.
it's a great story time. Tell me a lovely story.
A happy, happy story.
We love your story. Granny Sue.
There was a bear who lived far away in a big forest. He was a friend of mine. La 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 la.
우와, 그냥 곰이 아니라 빵 굽는 곰이네요.
Yes, dear. He could bake the best butter cake in the whole forest. Uh-oh.
Daddy, Daddy.
Oh, my little cutie pie. So, what do you want to have for breakfast?
Butter cake.
Oh, butter cake. That's a great idea. I'll bake you a butter cake.
Yay! Oh, Daddy.
Oh, sorry.
아빠 곰이 딸꾹질을 해요.
Oh, yes, just like me.
자꾸만 딸꾹하면 버터 케이크를 어떻게 만들지? Here you are.
Thank you.
딸꾹질이 멈추질 않아요. Oh, hiccup, hiccup, go away. Come again another day. Daddy.
Oh. Hiccup, hiccup. When I bake, I'll give you a butter cake.
아하, 버터 케이크 만들어줄 테니 딸꾹질은 가버리라고요? 제발.
Oh, it worked. Hiccups went away.
우와, 정말 딸꾹질이 멈췄어요. Daddy.
Yay!
그레니스도 딸꾹질이 멈췄어요. 주문이 통했나봐요.
Oh, yes, yes.
아니네. 곰들한테만 통하는 주문인가봐요. 친구들, 혹시 딸꾹질 멈추는 좋은 방법 없을까?
히컵, 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 히컵. H is for hiccup. Hiccup.
그레니스!
Kenny!
아니, 그게 그냥요.
Well, don't do that again, dear. Oh, good heavens.
이번엔 진짜 멈췄다!
Oh, quite right. Oh, Kenny, you saved my life. Oh, you sweet little darling. Thank you for whatever you did. Thank you, dear.
잠깐. 시요, 시. 좋은 시가 떠올랐어요.
Oh, really? Well, let's hear it, dear.
네, 친구들도 듣고 싶지?
Yes!
그럴 줄 알았지. 시의 제목은 바로 히컵입니다. 딸꾹질아 멀리 가.
No, hiccup, go away.
다른 날 다시 오렴.
Come again another day.
딸꾹질아 내가 빵 구우면
Hiccup, when I bake.
버터 케이크 줄게.
I'll give you a butter cake. Oh, Kenny, what a wonderful poem that was.
감사합니다. 아이고, 딸꾹질이 다시 왔잖아.
Oh no!
그래서 그레니스는 곰 요리사를 만나러 숲으로 가셨어요.
Really?
네, 딸꾹질 멈추는 법을 확실하게 배워오신대요.
Oh, what about reading your poem, Kenny? Doesn't it make hiccups go away? Hiccup, go away. Come again another day. Hiccup, when I bake, I'll give you a butter cake.
우와.